Okay, so today we're making a patio column using nothing but recycled pallet wood and wood I had laying around. So I have the four walls right there, the legs, and all I need to make now are the side support for the legs to connect to. So here I'm going to assemble the wall, or the wall. So in order to do the wall, I had to put the frame together first, and because I'm using pallet wood, some of the wood were very brittle. They had some cracks in it. So what I decided to do was to pre-drill all my screws and put a pilot hole in it so that the screw can go deep into the wood. Both of the side legs of the frame are 2x2, and then the support in the middle and top or bottom is 2x1.5. And all I'm doing is just using deck screw to secure them. And for the pallet, what I decided to do was to put the glue on the frame, and then with all the pallet wood, I've already pre-cut them to length so they all fit uniformly. And I used a 4-inch staple, so I had to use my stapler gun, pneumatic stapler gun, to staple everything from this point on. So to make sure all my wood is nice and straight, even, I took up my T-square, draw a line, and then cut any of the excess off. Even though I measured them and made sure they were all the same length, somehow, they weren't. So I had to cut them so that they're all nice and straight. Okay, so at this point it's pretty much assembly time, but I'm only going to assemble the 3 walls because the fourth one, well, this column here has to fit inside my post first before I can install the 4th wall. So what? Yep. So I made a template so that when I put the column against the post, everything is centered and aligned. And this is one of the support beams that is going to adhere itself to the post. So I'm going to put down 2 scrap pieces of wood, same thickness, and the column is going to rest on it. And this is purely for spacing, because once I secure it, I will remove the spacer, and the purpose of this is to prevent water when I'm hosing down the patio to touch the wood. And here is the column secured to the post with a bracket. And on the other side, you also see I have brackets. So there's 4 brackets in total holding this post, or holding this column to the post. So now to finish off the rough look, I am building a, what do you call it? A frame, a molding, I guess, baseboard and molding. There you go. So this is the side piece. Once all 4 sides are on, I'll finish off the tabletop there, sand that down to make it flat, and then once that's done, I'll put the top crown molding piece on top and bottom to hide any of those gaps. So here's how it looks. I really like the natural look of it, but I decided to paint it brown and white to kind of match the column there. And I put a thick layer of paint on it just in case the sprinkler hits it. I have some protection before it hits the wood. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, and like the video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.